The 1964 Alaska Earthquake by Taylee Williams.
and Avery Elmore.
March 27, 1964, Good Friday. At 5:36 p.m., South Central Alaska was struck by a force unlike anything it had ever known. Deep beneath the surface, the Pacific Plate had been pressing against the North American Plate. The pressure finally broke near College Forge and Prince William Sound. A subduction zone earthquake erupted, triggered by a Lieutenant megathrust, a reverse fault driven by compressional forces. The shaking lasted 4 minutes and 38 seconds. It was the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in the U.S. history, a staggering magnitude 9.2. This here is a diagram of the subduction zone along the plate boundary that initiated the destruction of the civilization in Alaska. Anchorage was torn apart. Entire neighborhoods collapsed. In Turnagain Heights, 75 homes were swallowed by landslides. Buildings crumbled, streets split open, the earth had rewritten the map. Then came the waves. A tsunami surged from the coast, reaching heights of 70 feet. It devastated towns like Valdez and Seward and swept across the Pacific. It killed people in Oregon, California, and even reached Hawaii and Japan. 139 lives were lost, 15 from the earthquake, and 124 from the tsunami's wrath.
But Alaska did not face this alone. Within 2 minutes, the Alaskan NORAD Command Center launched a full-scale response. Operation Helping Hands was born. Military teams restored communication in just 12 minutes. Field kitchens served thousands. Water purification units arrived within days. There was no famine, no unrest, just action. Nature paid a heavy price. Avalanches and saltwater intrusions destroyed habitats. Moose, deer, goats, and salmon lost their homes. Coastal marshlands were drowned. Forests and salmon streams were choked by landslides. All four Earth systems were shaken: geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. The earthquake's reach was global. Well water levels fluctuated as far away as Texas and Australia. It was a planetary event. From destruction came discovery. Scientists learned how saturated soils amplify damage. Engineers redesigned building codes. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center was established. A legacy of vigilance was born from tragedy. The Good Friday earthquake taught us that nature's fury can be sudden and unforgiving, but also that human courage, science, and preparedness can rise to meet it. Today, Earthquake Park stands as a silent witness to the power of the planet, to the strength of the community, to the lessons we must never forget. Thanks for listening!